Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to automatically forward text messages to another iPhone. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings and click on your name or to your Apple ID and click name, phone numbers, email. And now, at the contactable at, you want to click the edit option at the upper right side of it. And now, you want to click add email or phone number. And here, you want to click add a phone number or add an email. But just for a easier access, just go ahead and choose add a phone number. So once you've done that, you want to go back and scroll down until you see this messages option, and here you need to turn on your iMessage. But for my device, activation is unsuccessful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dictate what is the next step. So now, here at the lower part of show contact photos, you should see a text message forwarding section. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that and choose the person or the number that you want to forward the text messages at. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.